In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to toggle field codes. Field codes in Microsoft Word are special placeholders that store instructions for generating dynamic content such as document properties, dates, comments, or other automatically updating information. Learning how to insert and toggle these codes gives you greater control over your documents, allowing you to customize and manage content efficiently. To begin, open the Microsoft Word document where you want to work with field codes. If the document isn't already open, locate it on your computer and double-click to launch it in Word. Once your document is open, navigate to the Insert tab at the top of the window. This tab contains a variety of tools for adding elements like tables, pictures, text boxes, and importantly, quick parts. Quick Parts is a feature that allows you to insert reusable content or dynamic fields into your document. Click on Quick Parts, and from the drop-down menu, select Field. This opens a dialog box displaying a comprehensive list of fields you can insert. Fields are dynamic elements that automatically update based on the data source, making them perfect for things like comments, dates, document properties, or author information. For this demonstration, select the Comments field. This field is useful for inserting notes or reminders in documents that may undergo multiple reviews. Within the dialog box, you can choose formatting options for the field. For instance, you might select uppercase formatting so that the inserted comments are more noticeable. After setting your preferences, click OK, and Word will insert the field into your document as a placeholder displaying your chosen content. Now that the field is inserted, you can toggle between viewing the field code and its resulting text. Move your cursor to the field, right-click on it, and select Toggle Field Codes from the context menu. This switches the display, revealing the underlying code that generates the dynamic content. Toggling field codes is particularly helpful for understanding how Word produces the content or for troubleshooting and customizing fields further. You can switch back to the normal view anytime by repeating the same process. With this feature, you can enhance your Word documents by automating content, making them more professional and efficient. Fields can be customized and reused, saving time and ensuring consistency across your work. Experimenting with different fields and toggling codes helps you become more confident in handling dynamic content in Word. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.